was a perfect morning. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. We start off through MacRitchie Trail. We do not see nature with our eyes, but with our understandings and our hearts. Oh, that greenery. Such a fascinating view it was. Look deep into the nature and then you will understand everything better. Wait for it, many more sceneries ahead. To be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. Yup, it was long and a lot more to go. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. The richness I achieve comes from nature, the source of my inspiration. The beauty of natural world lies in the details. Trees are the earth's endless effort to speak to the listening heaven. Scenery. Slowly through the highway. Into the Belukar trail. So we stepped into another long trail. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never forget you. Through rough uphills, and downhills. Cut off from the Belukar trail towards the Wallace trail. Oh yeah, back into the shade of lovely trees. Back into walking underneath them giant trees. arrived at the dairy farm.
Now we are at the dairy farm nature park.
Do I get to be in the video?
Yes, you do. Hello, this is Kelvin, an awesome guy.
You should be coming here, today.
Oh yeah, definitely. He's the organizer of this
You will
video.
love this.
Oh
The
yeah.
next time.
Oh yeah, don't forget to check out Weekly Lifestyle Club in meetup.com.
I second that.
Welcome to the Dairy Farm Museum. This place has a very long interesting history. And we headed back into the nature. Through Wallace Trail. The clearest way into the US is through a forest wilderness. You know, folks, nature is not a place to visit, it is home. After finishing Wallace Trail, now we are headed towards Singapore Quarry. Trees are the Earth's endless effort to speak to the listening heaven. Along the trail, we walked. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. However long the hike was, it never felt tiring. If we surrendered to the Earth's intelligence, we could rise up rooted like trees. Now we are getting close to the Singapore Quarry. Amazing scenery it was. The Singapore Quarry.
Check out the Quarry story.
One does not seem to get enough of this beautiful scenery.